How to find good templates in CapCut. So in this video, I'm going to show you something different in which we're going to use an external application, which is TikTok. So here what you're going to do, you're going to open TikTok app, click on it here, and then head to your friends section. Click on friends here, and then choose the search. Now it's so simple, just search for CapCut templates, the first one. In here you can browse a lot of templates on CapCut and choose one of them. So let's pick up this one because it says top lights. We click on it, and then we click on this option that says CapCut, try this template. So we click here, and then click on use template in CapCut. Just wait a few seconds, and here click on use template once again. So here you can edit the template by adding one of your videos, or pictures even. So let's add this one, and click on preview. And here, as you can see, the video has been edited according to the video that you add from your gallery. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.